How to change billing address on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually change your billing address on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are most likely two addresses that you can change. One is the billing address, the other is the delivery address. Now to change either of these, let's say you want to open up the Cash App on your device, right? Once you open Cash App, to get started with the first address, just tap the profile icon from the top right, then you just scroll down and then here you'll find personal. Just tap on personal, and then here you'll find the addresses. All you need to do is simply enter the addresses that you want to add, tap on next, and your addresses on Cash App will be successfully changed. The other address is whenever you're ordering a Cash App card or anything from Cash App specifically. So if I select get free cash card over here, then I have to simply go to support and it'll ask me to select the address that I want to change to. You can also change the address while actually ordering a Cash App card. This is simply how you can change your addresses, or more importantly your billing address on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.